License plate recognition, LPR, is a powerful add-on to Milestone VMS. It helps manage parking, prevents loss, regulates access, and assists in evidence gathering. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to use the Alarm Manager to open and respond to an alarm. The red circle alerts us that there is an alarm related to the West Gate camera. To respond to it, we click the Alarm Manager tab. The Alarm Manager shows the related maps and cameras that are associated with the alarm. We'll double-click the first alarm to open it. We review the instructions and then talk with the driver about our policy regarding tailgating. Now that we've done that, let's click the State drop-down list to change the state of the alarm. We choose 11, closed, from the list. We've entered a note of our conversation with the driver, and now we're ready to close the alarm, so we'll click OK. And click OK again. You just saw how to use the Alarm Manager to open and respond to an alarm. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.